Hi viewers, welcome back to Daily Paper. In this video, I am talking about 5 benefits of eating 2 pistachios daily. Eating 2 pistachios daily might seem modest, but it can offer several health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile. Number 1. Heart health. Pistachios are rich in heart-healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol level, LDL, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 2. Antioxidant properties. Pistachios contain high level of antioxidants including vitamin E, polyphenols, and carotenoids. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3. Nutrient dense. Despite their small sizes, pistachios are packed with essential nutrients. They provide vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6. Number 4. Blood sugar control. Pistachios have a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 5. Weight management. Pistachios are relatively low in calories but high in protein and fiber, which can promote satiety and help control appetite. Even a small daily intake like 2 pistachios can be a healthy addition to a weight management plan by providing nutrients and contributing to fullness.